We will be solving a machine design problem about torsion. So here's our problem. The solid spindle AB has a diameter D is equal to 1.75 inches and is made of a steel with G is equal to 11.2 times 10 to the power of 6 psi and a radius of 12 psi, while sleeve CD is made of a brass with G is equal to 5.6 times 10 to the power 6, 10 to the power 6 psi and R is equal to 7 KSI. Determine A, the largest torque T that can be applied at A if the given allowable stresses are not to be exceeded and if the angle of twist of sleeve CD is not to exceed 0.375 degrees. And B, the corresponding angle through which N A rotates. So, so here's the solution for the given problem. So first we'll be writing all the given as we shown you in the problem. So to solve it, first we'll be solving for the torque RT, where T is equal to 0.92077 times 12 to over 0.875, and you'll have the answer 12.63 KIP per inches. So we'll have solve the T again for is equal to J over C2 is equal to 4.1172 over 1.5 times 7. So we'll have the value 19.21 KIP in inches per inches, and our stress is equal to 0.375 times pi over 180. So we can convert it to rad. So 6.545 times 10 to the power of negative 3 rad, and solve again for the stress. Formula is TL over JG. Substitute all the values in the given and you'll have the answer T is equal to 18.86 KIP per inches. So that's to solve for the A. While for the B, the formula is um, the A is equal to AD over AB. So AB plus CD. So you'll have the final formula T1 L1 over J1 is equal to over L1 over J1. So substitute all the value and you'll have the final answer. Stress A is equal to 0.01908 rad or 1.093 degrees. So for the next question, a solid spindle AB has a diameter of D is equal to 1.5 inches and is made of steel with G is equal to 11.2 times 10 to the power of 6 psi and R is equal to 12 psi. While sleeve CD is made of brass with G is equal to 5.6 times 10 to the power of 6 psi and R is equal to 7 psi, determine the largest angle through which N can be rotated. So again, here's our solutions. For the spindle AB, we'll first solving it. So C is equal to 1 half times D. The answer will be 0.75 inches. RT is equal to square root of R is over 2 times RC cube. So you'll have the formula pi over 2 times 12 times 10 to the power of 3 times 0.75 cube, and you'll have the answer 7.95 times 10 to the power of 3 pound per inch. For the sleeve CD, again, the formula is C2 is equal to 1 half D2 and you will have 1 half times 3 is equal to 1.5 inches. Again, formula J is equal to pi over 2 times C2 to the power 4 minus C1 to the power 4 is equal to pi over 2 times 1.5 to the power 4 minus 1.25 to the power 4 is equal to 4.1172 inches to the power 4. So again, formula T is equal to Jg over C2 is equal to 4.1172 times 7 7 times 10 to the power of negative 3 over 1.5, and you'll have the answer 12.71 times 10 to the power of 3 pound per inch. Again, another formula, J is equal to pi over 2 times C4 is equal to 0.49701 inches to the power 4, and our L is 12 inches, and our G is equal to 11.2 times 10 to the power of 6 psi. So for angle AB is equal to TLJG. Insert again all the answer we got here, and you'll have the answer 0.017138 radians or rad. And angle CD is equal to TL over JG again, and you'll have substitute all the values, and you'll have 0.002758 radians. So since you have the A, B, and CD, you'll just need to add them, and you'll have the final answer. AD is equal to 0.019896 radians or 1.140 degrees. That will be our final angle. That's all. Thank you.